Few stocks that are moving around in today's trading session. Avanti Feeds, that's surging after reporting a solid set of numbers. Ria joins us to decode that set. Ria?
Well, good morning. Let's take a look at how the numbers have panned out for Avanti Feeds in this quarter. For quarter 4, they've seen good growth in the overall revenue, up around 8% over the previous year. Very strong improvement on the profitability front as well. For quarter 4, EBITDA and net profit have jumped up by around 26% and 39% respectively. Even on a full year basis, EBITDA and net profit are up around 38% and 51% respectively on a year-on-year basis. Quarter 4 EBITDA margins have also seen a jump of around 267 basis points, with the full year margins going up by around 200 basis points compared to the previous year. Coming to the segments of the company, for the shrimp feed revenues for FY25, remember this constitutes around 78% of the total revenues. For this segment, the revenues have increased marginally, just about 3% over the previous year, but the EBIT margins have seen a very sharp jump up of around 500 basis points compared to the previous year. For the processed shrimp segment, though, this contributes around 21% of the total revenue. For this segment, the revenues have gone up by around 9%, but on the margin front, we've seen a very sharp decline of around 500 basis points over the previous year. And remember, the margins have been under pressure over the last year because of increased freight costs, higher raw material costs as well, and even the higher countervailing duties imposed by the US have caused some margin pressure for this segment. So this is one segment where the company has underperformed, but largely the results look very strong for Avanti Feeds, which is why the stock is trading higher today.
Take that point, Ria. Thanks a lot for that. Meanwhile, just watch.